Hello, all you amazing human beings. So I drew inspiration. I saw a video like this from John Franklin Art. I think he posted one a few months back, and then I just saw either Tiktus or Wiggles posted a video like this also. I just wanted to try it myself because it looks super fun. So I have cobalt blue, lemon yellow, and a bright pink in the shot glass in there. There is silicone in those. There is not Minwax. And then we have flow acrylic white and flow acrylic black to surround it and overtake it, and it will be a flip cup. So I don't know. I think it's going to be dope. I think it's going to be super awesome. So without further ado, we're just going to get right up into this because I'm excited. And what I think I wanted to do was kind of pour them both at the same time to create maybe like a layer down the middle. Let's see if the caffeine will allow me to do that. So I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I'm having a great day today. I mean, I'm painting, so it can't really be a bad day, can it? Wow, it's doing like almost exactly what I wanted. It's making me wonder what's gonna go wrong. Well, here. So now we'll get the sticks and try to get as much out of these cups, because I don't want to flood the whole canvas with paint. I think it's going to be pretty cool. And then I'm going to pull this white and this black over top of the color and hopefully obscure it. Although I know that's going to be on the bottom, so it really doesn't matter, does it? As long as that pink ends up in the middle of the canvas, that's really all we can hope for. But I'm super excited. This is going to be awesome. It's going to be a lot of fun. I've never done a painting like this, so yeah, I might not be able to cover it all, which is fine. It will be okay. So I left a little bit of a gap here so the paint can push through itself and have a pretty cool little effect. Need to see, I've learned from my mistakes. Not taping this kind of thing down is a very poor decision on my part, especially when you spin it. So now it's on there. Through the bottom of the cup you can kind of see where the pink is. I don't know if you can see it. I think this is going to be really cool though. So how are you guys doing this glorious day? I'm really excited about my next video though. I don't know what to call it. I've never seen anybody do it, but it's basically a strainer, and I'm gonna set this this shot glass in there and do like a waterfall open cup through a strainer. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna call this. I haven't seen anybody do it. And if somebody has done it and you've seen it, be a lovely person and put it in the comments so I can look it up, because I'm curious at what kind of effects they got. And if there isn't one, then I guess we're gonna find out together. That video should come out on Monday. I'm super excited about it. So let's see what these colors do. Now I'm just gonna lift it straight up. Normally I kind of tilt, but I want that pink to stay towards the middle. All right, well, the pink's not coming through too much. That cup looks really cool though. Can you see that? All right. Did I really only use just enough paint? I don't know. I'm excited because I know that stark black and white is gonna contrast a lot. And then I'm already seeing this really cool like cell structure forming with that pink, that blue. Not seeing so much yellow yet. There's some right there. So what we should do, go ahead and pop some of these bubbles. There is quite a bit of them because of that gap in the cut. There's quite a bit of bubbles in the paint from where it just flooded out. With some of these colors though, these are crazy. This is gorgeous already. I'm really liking the way that looks. I'm even more excited because look at it. It almost makes like a negative space, which is so cool. Then that white and the black, creating like those real subtle grays. I don't know, guys. This ended up looking pretty cool so far. We're gonna hope against all hope that it continues to look good after I spin it. Now the reason I'm waiting to spin it is because I'm trying to allow some of these cells to form on their own instead of trying to force them into the painting after the fact. Because you can see like already this really cool lacing going on, really cool cells. Plus I gotta take a sip of my frosty beverage. That's good. All right, so let's give it a gentle spin. Real gentle. I'm not trying to force anything, because I'm absolutely loving the way this looks right now. You know what I could probably do? Since there is no silicone, I probably could spread this just, nah, see what I'm doing with the white? I don't want to do that. Nope, not doing it. All right, so we're gonna spin it the opposite direction we just spun it. A little bit more force. We're starting to get some of that to come off the edge. This looks so cool. So if you're watching John Franklin art, amazing idea. Your video was the very first video I saw doing this. I think you named it like Cherry Bomb. I don't know, I'm gonna try to find it, and I'm gonna try to put a card on this video, so if any of you have not seen it, you can go check that out there. But this is incredible. All right, a little bit the other way. Trying to keep the bubbliness of these lacing and cells. It almost looks like a Shelley art thing with how brilliant that lacing is. Trying to stop it slowly without messing anything up too bad. This is insanity. Look at this. Those three colors is just pink, blue, and yellow. And then the black and white was just the, essentially they were the base coat. But it's nuts. All right. We're just gonna continue just to get it close to the edge, because I could take some black and white and I could just coat the edges over here, the corners. I don't necessarily need to spin the heck out of it, because I really like the way this looks right now. So let's see, hopefully when we do this it doesn't distort the colors, because if it does, then I'm just gonna have to mix up some white to coat these and white and black to coat these, and I'd rather not if I don't have to. Because this is not one of the paintings that I can just take the excess of without seriously disturbing this white paint. I don't know if y'all can see, like, there's still very, very small cells being created right in the middle there. I'm blown away by these colors. Are just the way they're playing with each other, and it's really a beautiful thing to watch. I'm just trying to get a good coverage on the corners. It's insanity though. Alright, the black over here is next. Another stick. Actually, you know what? I could probably catch some of this drip here to help me pull it along. So, for those of you who enjoy listening to my inner monologue, well, you're in for a treat because I've been doing a whole lot of talking to myself in this video. Now this one, I don't know. This one's going to be more difficult just because there is that bit of white there. I don't want to mess that up. So I kind of grabbed a little bit of white. I'm trying to just drag it over the edge. Making sure to get good coverage on the edges here, because I don't want to leave any bare spots on this canvas, because this is, I mean, essentially it has negative space, which is so cool. All right, so corners are covered. I don't even know how to describe this right now, but the way these colors are just playing with each other is beautiful. That hot pink, that yellow, and that deep blue. So the yellow and the blue created a little bit of green, but it's gorgeous. Hold on, let me hit it with a torch and I'm gonna bring you guys down. This is gorgeous. And then this heat being applied, bringing up a little bit more of those cells. Goodness gracious. I don't even know what to say. This thing is blowing my mind right now, guys. Seriously, but let me bring you guys down and you guys can share in this with me, because it's amazing what happened to this canvas. Would you just look at these colors?
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.